What type of scenario do you see Dobbs getting in? If Mason's playing really well, do they just stick with him the whole game?
This is the thing from the things that I've heard is more so kind of like what we said with the starters, right? The A guys. I don't know the full, number in terms of snap count, but that's the mindset they want to kind of operate with in terms of we want to see him for X amount. And then if we can, we want to get to this guy as well because they want to evaluate him. They haven't had a chance to evaluate any of those guys to that extent. So that's the biggest reason why. Yeah. But the problem is you just don't know how the flow is going to go. Obviously, things could change. But that has been some of the things that I've been hearing, though. That segment was brought to you by DraftKings Sportsbook, America's top-rated sportsbooking app. Not only is it safe, but it is secure and Deke. It is reliable, baby. I mean, reliability. We need that, right?
Always a great thing.
You need that in your life. But you know what's better than reliability?
What's that?
Free money.
Whoa,
yeah.
I think they go hand in hand.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
So for all the first-time users out there, if you use the promo code MOATS, you will receive up to, get this, $1,000 in deposit bonus money. I mean, that's a win-win right there. It's free money.
Yeah.
It's free money. It's a gift from me to you. So stop wasting time. Download the app, use the promo code, and get an opportunity to make a little money.